Okay, guys, I'm trying to close out this trade right here. You can see it's 64 pips. It was 68 pips. I'm going to close it right now. This is a trade I sent out to the copycat group, and I was at the mall, and I'm just getting back, and dang, this thing dropped already. But again, real quick, let me close it first, and I'll explain why I took it. Okay, hold on a second. All right. As you can see here, and this is Wednesday, so I literally just taught you guys this in class this morning, but you can see right here, here's a high point, here's another high point, and here's another one. And I told you it's like walking down a flight of stairs. That's how you can tell when you're in a downtrend, because it's like walking down a flight of stairs. Each step gets lower, okay? Just like if you're walking downstairs. See, here's a downtrend. If you have the sexy analyst, which is on our website, Super EZ Forex, you can make, it'll show you the support and resistance. So again, I have my little traveling laptop and I saw this trade, took it real quick. I didn't anticipate it dropping that fast, but you can see what happened. Right here is where it created this high, came down, created a lower high, came out, bounced, created another high point, and stopped right there on the dot. I took the trade and you can see it dropped. And I just closed it out. So that's another 60 something, 63 pips for the copycat family members. So if you want to join us, go ahead to our website, superezforex.com. Super E as in Echo, Z and Zebra. Forex.com, and click on the copycat and you can join us. All right. So this is the Forex copy. Peace and hair grease.